Hello and welcome to another CPD short from Complete Mathematics. And this time we're looking at area of trapeziums. So imagine the scenario where you've just got your pupils to the point where they can calculate the area of a trapezium given its dimensions, and you want to sort of deepen their understanding. So you might give a task like this. Can you form a trapezium with an area of 12 square units? So you give them the answer, the area, and can they work backwards to form a possible trapezium? A much more difficult task. Now I like to do this using a geoboard. And I get students to first start by forming a rectangle with an area of 12 square units. So here I've gone 4 by 3, could have gone 6 by 2 on a 10 by 10. And then I want them to focus in on this idea that if you adjust one of the parallel sides, so long as you do the opposite to one of the other parallel sides, you'll keep the area the same. So say for example this parallel side here, if I reduce that by 1, I've obviously decreased the area. But to compensate for that and to get back to an area of 12, I can increase this parallel side by 1. So it's about keeping the average of the sides the same. When it was a rectangle, it was 4 and 4. Now it's a trapezium, it's 5 and 3. But it still has this area of 12. And they can work that out because they know how to calculate the area of a trapezium. They can do the 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Divide by 2 is still 12. Let's adjust it again. So let's reduce this parallel side by 2 now, say. So let's go to there. Now to compensate for that, because this parallel side has been reduced by 2, I need to increase this one by 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. And you can see I've formed a new trapezium, but crucially the average of the parallel sides is still 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Divide by 2. That's what the formula says, but it gives some meaning to the formula. Why do you add the top and bottom together and divide by 2? It's because you want an average of the parallel sides. So there's a nice little task for deepening an understanding of area of trapeziums. As always, post any thoughts or comments in the thread below.